I actually did this the first time I put it on. I put it on the wrong way. This is a different type of bra. I think they call it a bralette. Hold on. So something that I appreciate about this bra is that my tits do not move in it. It's so weird just holding up my bra. Look at how big my boobs are. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all of the love on my last video about my sex toy. That was such a fun video to make, and I really appreciate you guys for all of the love that you've given on that video. So if you happen to miss the video, I will leave a link right here so you guys can check it out if you're interested in watching it. I'll also leave a link in the description box below, that way you can click. But also, so you don't miss videos like that, hit that subscribe button so you never miss any content from me, and also hit that little bell so you never miss any of my videos here on YouTube. So today's video is a Savage Fenty haul. I know the whole Amazon video went around and everyone's talking about it. I've been meaning to try Savage Fenty for ever, okay? Like literally for the longest time. I've been trying to place an order, I just haven't gotten around to it. But during quarantine, I decided to treat myself a couple of times, and by a couple I mean like 100. And I've been buying myself a lot of stuff that I've just been meaning to buy for such a long time that I couldn't really get. So one of those things is lingerie, and I signed up for the VIP exclusive offer that was on Instagram. I saw an Instagram ad on my Instagram stories, so I decided to go ahead and sign up for it so I can get 50% off. I'm not sure if they're still running that deal, but typically with Savage Fenty, from what I've seen, if you sign up with your email for the first time, they will give you some sort of promotion. So definitely check that out. I will leave a link in the description box to the website if you guys want to check it out and purchase some things, as well as each and every item that I purchased. So let's go ahead and get started on this lingerie haul. So honestly, I only got like one lingerie piece. The main thing I really wanted to get were her strapless bras, because strapless bras are so hard for me to find as a plus size woman, and also as a woman that is somewhat busty. Typically I am a D, sometimes a double D, depending on the brand and the make of the bra. But I decided to finally try a strapless bra from Savage Fenty, and I want to say that I was very impressed with it. So this is the strapless bra, and this is in a 38D, which is my size. I'm usually a 38D to a 40D depending on the make and the brand. So I went ahead and grabbed this one. I love the strapless bra. I love the fact that it has a really thick band in the back. So all of my plus size beauties, you guys know that thick bands are our best friends. I personally like to use thick bands because I like to feel really supported. I also don't like to create those little dark lines on my back from like when my bras dig into my skin and all that stuff. That's actually something I learned from my mom. Shout out to my mom for telling me that for like so many years. I finally have listened to you. It just makes a big difference. I love that there's 4 clips back here. I love that the bra has 4 clips in the back, and of course the band is super thick. I mean, you get a really thick band. It's also really stretchy, so it has a lot of give in the back. So it's just a really comfortable strapless bra. It also does come with straps, so if you do want to add straps to this bra, you can. So it does come like this with straps. But one thing I want to say about this bra is that, for one, it is comfortable. It also has like little runs in the actual cups, so it doesn't move. You know, your boobs don't slide all over the place, so your boobs are really secure and all that stuff, and I really appreciate that detailing on the bras. And I also kind of dig this little X detail right here, like this little detail. That's really cute. I used to like hate these little details on bras, but like now I kind of appreciate them because they're just like a little added flirtiness. So something that I appreciate about this bra is that my tits do not move in it. When I put this bra on and nothing moves, sis, I jumped off of the couch and my tits were in place. I give that a 10. Usually with strapless bras with me, because I'm like kind of top heavy, like if I were to like sit down or just kind of hunch just a smudge, my bra would literally, like, this is how they would sit up normally, like if I just had this on. If I did like the slightest hunch, my boobs would literally fall over like that, and the bra would literally stick out to the side, and then my boobs would just fall out of, I mean literally my boobs will fall out of my bra. Finding a strapless bra has always been difficult for me, so I'm really happy to have this one. They were actually on sale. They had a promo. They had the strapless bras 2 for $24, so that's why I picked up a black one as well as a brown one. I love this brown color. I can't wait to wear this one with like a white button down shirt and kind of have like a little bit of my bra exposed with a little bit of cleavage. I'm so excited to get that look. Really nice soft material as well. Super comfortable to wear on the skin. They're so well made. The wire is like kind of thick. I think that also helps with like my bustiness as well and keeping my boobs in place. It's not one of those, you know, like some bras have like that cheap underwire, like it's just really flimsy. Like this is a really sturdy underwire. Like I'm literally feeling this and the underwire feels thick AF. I will leave links down below if you guys want to check out the website. You can see if the bras are still 2 for $24, and if they are, I definitely highly recommend that you place an order. Okay, so the next item is definitely in the lingerie category. I only placed a couple orders. I didn't get a lot, so this isn't like a massive huge haul. So the next item that I got is the Hyper Real Lace Vinyl Bustier, and this is sexy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the vinyl detail. Like I love that, and I love the detailing because the lace is on the inside, so you guys can see that like the lace is actually on the inside of the vinyl. So when you flip it over, all you see is vinyl, but like a peekaboo of lace. Dude, like the sexiest piece of detailing I've ever seen on a bra. Like just, I love this concept of this bustier. I think it's called bustier. But again, super thick straps. Like literally you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buckle strap. Okay, super thick, super comfortable. Like this is sexy lingerie, but this is also sexy and comfortable. You know, I'm a big girl. I likes to be comfortable. I likes to be comfy. Okay, but I got it in the blush color. It also comes in a bold royal blue, but I just really love this blush color. It's just so feminine and pretty and flirty, and just the lace and the detailing and the vinyl just makes it super sexy. So I did purchase this. They currently do have it on sale 2 for $24, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. Again, like I said, if you sign up for the VIP perks, you definitely will get some really great offers and some really cool exclusives. So definitely sign up for the email list if you haven't already. Did I get the 40D or 38D? I think I got a 40 double D. I haven't even cut all the tags off yet. Actually, this is a 1X size. Wait, I thought this came in a cup size. Oh no? Okay, no, it actually doesn't come in a cup size. It just comes in, I think it's like XL, 1X, 2X, 3X. I got the 1X, and again, I'm like a 38D, 48D cup. One of the things that I really appreciate about Savage Fenty is that they have plus size lingerie that actually looks really good. But I love Savage Fenty because everyone can wear something. This is not just a brand for like narrow people, hourglass people. Like if you actually watch the Amazon fashion show, I mean, Rihanna had people and women of all sizes wearing her pieces. So no matter what size you are, you can order something from Savage Fenty. Like she literally has something for everyone. It does have the option to be strapless, or you can put the straps on it, so you can kind of wear it whichever way you like. The straps are really thick, which I appreciate as well. So I personally like thicker straps because I just have a cinnamon roll type body, and I don't want any of my straps to kind of like go into my skin and create beauty marks and deep lines and just all that stuff. Again, I told y'all I've been listening to my mama over these past couple of years, and she always knows what's up. But if you want something that's gonna make you really happy, girl, crotchless panties. You guys, this is a game changer for me. I knew crotchless panties existed, but they have another meaning now. super sexy detailing, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have like an iridescent color to it. You probably can't really, oh there you go, you can kind of see it a little bit on camera, but it does have like kind of like an iridescent flush in the lace, which is really cute. Again, it does match the bra. Everything matches, everything is sexy. I love this. The best thing is that there's absolutely no crotch. Like, woo! I think you all kind of know what that means. Of course, easy access to the goods. Crotchless! I need to grow up. So I am definitely loving all of my Savage Fenty pieces that I ordered. Again, I will leave links down below if you guys want to purchase anything or if you want to shop. So that's everything that I got from Savage X Fenty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you like lingerie hauls. But until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day. I love you, and bye. Mwah. Jump on
it, baby.